how did you guys feel about getting to go on the ship that your dad works on?
Good. Great.
We're welcoming people to the Seaspan open house today. We have a ton of people here, all our friends and family. We're going through and seeing the brand new outfit here, going on to JSS, and just having a great time.
We're in the workforce development bay, and what we've got everywhere here is different tables where exhibitions of different trades.
We have our VR station. We're showing off a visualization of the polar icebreaker. Yeah, it's been great. We have a lot of interest. People are really enjoying it.
I've never been on a Canadian naval vessel. My son was giving me kind of a blow-by-blow of where he works and what he does on the ship.
We didn't even know that we can actually go on board, which is really cool.
And what does this little guy think of the open house?
Oh, he said, it's the best open house ever.
I've been here for a couple years now, and it's fun to get everybody together. I have my folks here today. My sister's here. They're both dressed up, as you can see.
And this is probably one of the most busy open houses I've seen so far to date. It's fantastic. The GSS tours are going amazing.
It's great to bring the kids aboard, show them what we've been working so hard on for the past years here at Seaspan.
There's been just a steady stream of employees with their families, and we're having a blast.
He loved the ship. He's been talking about it all week, coming to see where his dad works.
It is fantastic. Everybody's having a great time.
It's really nice to be able to share what we do here at Seaspan with our friends and our family. They don't often get a chance to come in here and see the actual work that we do, and it's so much more than anyone ever realizes.